Hey everyone, if you regularly share screenshots online, adding a watermark is a simple way to protect your work and promote your brand. ShareX lets you automatically apply text or image watermarks to every screenshot you capture. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to add watermarks in ShareX step by step. So let's get started. First, open ShareX from the Windows Start menu or your desktop shortcut. Once the application opens, you'll see the main dashboard with options for capturing screenshots, recording your screen, and customizing the application. Next, navigate to Task Settings, then locate the Effects or Image Effects section, depending on your version of ShareX. This is where you can add effects that are automatically applied after every screenshot. Click Add to create a new image effect, then choose the watermark effect if it's available. Depending on your version, you can add either a text watermark or use an image, such as your company logo. Yeah, both options work well for branding your screenshots. Now enter your watermark text or select the image you want to use. You can adjust the position, size, opacity, margins, and other available settings until you're happy with the appearance. I mean, a small watermark in one corner is usually enough without distracting from the screenshot. Once you've finished customizing the watermark, save your changes and close the settings window. From now on, every new screenshot will automatically include your watermark according to the settings you've chosen. Finally, capture a new screenshot and check the result. If the watermark isn't exactly where you want it, simply return to the image effects settings and make a few adjustments until it looks right. And that's how to add watermarks in ShareX. With just a few minutes of setup, you can automatically brand every screenshot you capture and make your shared images look more professional. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.